Hi, Mark here. It is Wednesday, June the 11th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern, US session about to get underway, and that would be going on noon GMT, going into the afternoon portion of the European session. Let's have a look at the US dollar index. Let me just blow that up a little. And you can see the similar look to yesterday. Small green body of a candlestick. Yesterday tried higher, and then US gave up those gains and closed pretty much alongside the day before's close price. Today so far has tried higher again. You can see resistance at 98.74, and again given up some of those gains. The US are now sitting around that 98.61 level, in between support and resistance. Note support at 98.44 is really strong. We've had a bounce up off that level for the past 3 days. I did draw in this descending triangle, descending trend line, where buyers are trying to break above, haven't succeeded the past few days. That could form a descending triangle, and then the support level at 98.45 would get tested again. To start the day, US dollar strength. We saw that during the Asian, going into the European session, and right now giving up some of those gains. We'll see how the US dollar performs as the US session does get underway. Let's have a look at the S&P. Has had a good run, the S&P. Some steady days. The gains haven't been huge, but certainly demand and buyers have dominated higher highs and higher lows, and significantly trading at that 6,100 level, above the 6,000 level, now sitting at resistance area, looking to test and break 6,100 again on the upside. Sellers, of course, will be looking below the 6,100 and sitting right now at 6,090. We'll see how that plays out once Wall Street opens, and that's in an hour and a half from now. Let's have a look at gold. Pretty flat for the third straight day now. You can see tried higher, 3,348. That is the resistance level that it tried, same as yesterday. Didn't make it past there and has given up those gains already, gold, and sitting close to yesterday's body, yesterday's close price, right now 3,332, slightly above support, which is at 3,323. I did loosely draw in an ascending trend line. If I zoom into the hourly, what we can see, certainly the overall, the uptrend and a series of higher lows from here down here at 3,300, a little bit higher, slightly higher again, and so far today again higher. So that is a series of higher lows. We'll see if buyers do step in again and look to retest the 3,348 resistance area. Brent oil has been strong, we know that, and strong again today. You can see, have a look at the dailies. Already resistance at 67.86, looking for that resistance of 67.98, looking to test the $68 mark. It is strong oil, buyers firmly in control. It's the third attempt at this resistance area. We saw it in April. There it is in May, and here we are in June, and it's broken above the May resistance. Now hanging around the resistance we saw in April, but certainly looking strong oil and looking to come up and test the $68 level as the US session gets underway. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Yesterday, Bitcoin was sold off early to start, all the way down to 108,300. During the later portion of the US session, fought its way back strongly to come up and close at the previous day's close. and that's around the 110.3 thousand level. Sellers started off the same as yesterday. Support at this point lower than yesterday. Right now, 109,200. So pretty much trading between 109 and 110,000 so far today. Let's see if buyers do step in at this level at 109,000, come back up to look to test 110,000 or higher on the upside, or whether sellers can maintain and break below the support of 109,000, which is what we've seen so far during the Asian and European session. Keep that discipline going, and I will see you at end of day.